Emerson ceiling fan, model undetermined. Replacing old SW140 receiver with RCK55 receiver, old SW145 remote wall controller, on advice of Emerson tech support, with SW605 controller. I am unable to figure out equivalent wiring of receiver and included reversal module.
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be glad to assist you. Go to www.aceilingfan.com for exact replacement.
I'm sorry, neither aceilingfan.com or aceilingfan.com offered any explanation of how to replace the receiver. I'm unsure what you meant by exact replacement.
If you don't see what you need as shown, then call them for their help. They are the best outlet for fan part replacements.
Are you sure you have the website correct? There's nothing there about ceiling fans.
I was on my Droid and couldn't give you a link. See the link below. Scroll down to see the receivers. http://www.aceilingfans.com/ceiling_fan_remote_controls.html.
Mike, I already have a new receiver that Emerson recommended. I'm just trying to figure out how to wire it to the existing fixture.
If you notice, all the factory receivers have a Molex plug and it is a matter of just connecting it. If they provided a part without the connector, they should also have given you the connections by wire colors. I suggest using the people at Effens for the solution.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.